be talking about light as a science concept. But first, what is light? Light is a type of energy on the electromagnetic spectrum, and when it falls into the visible spectrum, we perceive it as colors. It is also a type of radiation, along with microwaves, X-rays, radio waves, infrared, gamma rays, and ultraviolet. Here is the electromagnetic spectrum, and the small little section here is the visible spectrum. Where can you find light? You can find light anywhere, like the sun, stars, light bulbs, fire, and even a few living organisms, or bioluminescence. The anglerfish is a good example of bioluminescence, with the little bulb on its head emitting light. Why is it important? It is crucial for our survival because it powers our vision, crucial for photosynthesis, warms the earth, and we use it in everything we do. This is just an example of photosynthesis. Sunlight and carbon dioxide goes in, oxygen and sugar go out. The plant absorbs the water in the ground. And thank you for listening to my explanation of light.